Welcome back to the first activity in cloud project for LightSail. And in this project today, we are going to help you to set up the MongoDB instance that you are going to utilize for the stage 2 and stage 3. We utilize this project. And we are going to do this in advanced because database instance can take a little while to set up. And we need to IP address of this database instance for the operational and to continue with this next step in the scale up in the step 3. And we are going to do this first, create this database. So we go ahead now and we go to the LightSail. In the LightSail, you just go in AWS, your AWS account, and you will create the instance. Always you can change the location, the region that you choose. You can change here. In this case, we will utilize the US Virginia, US on, and in this case also the platform we use is Unix, and because we are going to base the database in the Linux deployment and select the Blueprint OS. In the Blueprint OS to the deployment, you go ahead and select the Ubuntu 16. Great. Now, once you select, you are going to launch the script for this project. Is here. And to launch this script, bash, I have put in the video. You will enter in my account in the GitHub, and I will show you. You will enter in scenario 3. Learn scenario 3. You will find the LightSail 3, scenario 3, and learn activity 2. And here is the launch MongoDB. Basically, this will once you select this script, this launch script we are going to use to available the course during this project. We will have all the information here in these scripts and also the application. And we are going to use that to launch the MongoDB script and download the install MongoDB using the apt-get, and then modify the configuration to define the MongoDB just to make sure that listening is the correct interface. And that's why this part get local interface detail, and then just the MongoDB configuration field, and update the new configuration field. Once you done this, the backup of the old configuration will be moved to the new, and put the new in correct position, and start up the database with the sudo service MongoDB start. And so we will need to do this locating the launch script, and the mention I mentioned for you. We can get direct link in the lesson script in this video. I will put in the video, but also available in the GitHub. Just make sure that you are using the MongoDB launch is the name of this bash, and we go ahead and copy all this and put in the description box. Okay, great. Now we will just choose the will choose. You can search with the you want one, create new key pair, or use default. Come and use default, just save, but normally we use here in the LightSail have the possibility to SSA directly. After you select the instance plan, what you need, what you prefer, don't worry about here. If sometimes you are using the other, not Google, or using other browser, can be just one line here, direct, everything is no problem, and is normal. So once you put the launch script down, You scroll down and you will need to pick up distance plan, maybe able to select instance based in amount of memory, or which approach the capability the local storage, and include the transfer. Go ahead, just ensure the price per month you want. I think it's more easy, and also select with the base in $10 a month. Be focused more specifically in the amount of memory that we will need, 2 giga, and especially pay attention. This is most important. Once you've done this, scroll and down and change the instance, identify the MongoDB that you just take a little easy to see. And after do this is easier. You identify this MongoDB. You can put I don't know, you can put the name you put the name. I think is more easy for remember as Mongo. And once you change this, now you create the instance, and the process will take a couple of minutes, and we'll go through a dependent state of the creation of this instance here, and we'll go to dependent state to was a running, will show running state. Then you may find you cannot connect, maybe in 3 or 4 minutes. And after the launch script execute, everything being downloaded and installed and updated, we can access. So I will pause this video now for you don't lose your time. Great. Now how we can see now the MongoDB instance, it's running already, and it's operational. And to verify if the MongoDB is operational, you just see here it's running, and the state running, the updates, and all the color change from the gray to orange, and it's color. And also you just will click here in the shell Linux for we control the MongoDB, and we just will use some commands here. Okay, we enter here. Now we go ahead and type the Mongo. Okay, we enter in the Mongo, and now we will launch this. So we have entered in the MongoDB Linux, and now we need to run the commands is Mongo and hyphen host. You give it a space, the $sign, and after $sign you use go ahead and type the this is the name, open bracket. You just put host name -z and close the open bracket, the bracket. Great. After do this, we just connect the MongoDB, and should show something up like this, and we can connect the local MongoDB instance and the database running. It's started and should be see this information here. And what we need now is just type show PBS. It's okay. Now we can see all it's going well. Good. After we finish this configuration in MongoDB, we are right. We can connect now him in the instance. We just need to go in LightSail, and we need to go and connect him. We just get the IP address not working here. Let's see, where is it? Okay, it's here. You will get this number, is the private IP address you use for connecting the MongoDB, and use him to connect in the front end of the instance application to talk after with this MongoDB. So just you go ahead and put this somewhere, save this IP address that we'll need in the later video. So that's all you need to do in this video, just was a refer. We create LightSail instance. We use the Ubuntu 60 LTS version blueprint, and then we launch the script. We have downloaded the MongoDB and update the configuration of MongoDB. You have made sure that you start and was a testing step. You have connected using the SSH, just was we verify. You connect also the instance in the run simple command. So in this point, we have get fully operational MongoDB instance. And thank you for watching this video, and feel free to complete comment or get the information in GitHub. Thanks.